What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a good one, man. We got a really extreme value here that I found at Walmart, and that is this guy here. This is the Leno's Garage Essential Detailing Car Care Kit. Now, I don't use a lot of Leno Garage products. A lot of people have asked me to review them. This was the perfect situation because this little kit here, it's a 7-piece bundle. Now, this is on the end of a rack. I don't know if it's at every Walmart. It's definitely not on their Walmart.com site, but it is at my local store. I think it's a brand new item since we're getting into that season of car washing. This kit was $12. $12, guys. I added everything up. It's over $45 of value. And let me tell you, I wasn't sure about the products. I knew they'd be decent because I know Jay Leno's not gonna put his name on something that's not good, right? So I assumed they were gonna be good. However, I had a customer today, just a basic wash customer. I went out there and decided, hey, I'm gonna use these products on it and see how it goes. I had all my normal stuff as a backup if I didn't like how this was going. But here we go, guys. I'm gonna show you my process using all this stuff and just how much I like it. And as always, guys, if you like these types of videos, anything related to car detailing, whether it be tips, tricks, how-tos, or product reviews, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate it. Now let's get into this wash kit. All right, guys, so I'm at the job site. I start off by unboxing this kit. Now, right off the bat, when you pull it out, you get a little foam block applicator pad. Then you also get 2 microfiber towels. And let me tell you how impressed I am and how professional grade this is they give you a basic 16 by 16 inch microfiber towel, which is my preferred size. I talk about that all the time. I know the Maguiars kit came with some, I think by 16 by 24 or something like that, but I don't like that because it doesn't come up into a perfect square when you fold it into quarters. And then also it is a 300 GSM towel. And the big part for me, guys, the thing that I like most about my towels is that they're edgeless and don't have any tags on them because that can potentially scratch the paint. And their towel that they give you is edgeless with no tags. Like, I saw that and I was like, wow, man, they did a killer job with that. Because even the Chemical Guys kit, they come with a banded microfiber, which is still better, but it does have a tag. They're good quality, but I prefer these for sure. Now, moving right along, we're pulling out the product. We get a tire and trim care. We get a quick detailer, some glass cleaner, and some vehicle wash. So first thing that I did, guys, gonna go ahead and work on the car, right? So I fill up my foam cannon. Now I am using the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. I'll have them linked down in the description so where you can get them on Amazon, and I'll also link my site. I'm currently sold out, but I should have more in stock here shortly. So depending on when you watch this, I probably have them in stock on my site and I can get them out to you quickly. So I put some of the vehicle wash into my foam cannon and start foaming the car down. Now, this is a dark blue Toyota 4Runner. He had just gone off-roading up near Lake Arrowhead in California, and the car was quite dirty. I went straight to, I didn't do a pre-rinse because it wasn't super hot out, and I've been watching a lot of videos. I'm sure if you guys watch a lot of detailing videos, you've been seeing the rinse, pre-rinse versus no pre-rinse. And the logic behind, I mean, it looks to be that no pre-rinse does work better. Now, on a hot day, I still prefer to pre-rinse. I'm just trying to cool the panel down a little bit. But in this case, I went straight to it, and the product foamed very well. Now, I will say, guys, with that foam cannon foams like crazy with pretty much all the soaps. It does a really fantastic job. However, how does it work with a standard foam cannon? I'm assuming it still foams pretty well. It's a good foaming soap. So I like that a lot. As I was washing the vehicle down after I sprayed it, it seemed to have a ton of lubrication in the soap. It's pH neutral, it's not gonna strip anything, wax coatings, anything like that. So I really like that vehicle wash. It did a great job. So then after that, obviously I dry the car down, and then to pick up any of the water spots, any of the fingerprints, all that kind of stuff that's left over, I went to the quick detailer. Now I was very impressed with this quick detailer. It went on very smooth, nice and hydrophobic as you went across the panel. Like, so you don't have to worry about inducing any scratches. It was very smooth, and it flashed off very quickly and didn't leave any streaks behind. So fantastic product. I'm very impressed with that stuff. Now, it is an advanced polymer formula. It does a good job of kind of adding some depth to the color and all that kind of good stuff. Not really any protection to it, but a great little quick detailer to keep in your car, to go to car shows with, just to, you know, keep your car fine-tuned and making it look its best. All right, guys, so the car is all dry. I go on to dress my tires. So I used the little foam applicator block that they give you, and I don't know, it seemed cheap to me, but it actually did a pretty good job and didn't fall apart. I've used other ones in the past where you grab on some tread of the tire and it just wants to break apart. This one didn't. It did a good job. I was also using the tire and trim that product that came with the kit, and I gotta say it worked very, very well. Like no sling, as you're rubbing it in, it takes a little bit more to rub into the tire, I will say, especially with that applicator that they give you. But once you rub it in, man, it looks great. It just restores like a natural, makes it look like a brand new tire. Looks really, really good. And like I said, it's pretty much dry to the touch right away. So again, fantastic product there. I still prefer a sprayable product just for speed and being able to get into all the tight spots of a tire. I like to apply with a brush a lot of the times. I'll link a video on how I do that down in the description for you guys, but I'll spray into a nice soft bristled brush and rub it into the tires. It works amazing, especially on the higher tread, like, you know, mud terrain or all-terrain tires. Works fantastic. Now, the last thing in the kit, guys, is the glass cleaner. I did not use this. I don't personally use glass cleaner. I always just use a microfiber towel and pure water. It leaves me with a perfect streak-free finish. I love it. I have a whole video on that as well. I'll link in the description for you guys on how I clean windows. But I gotta say, guys, for the value of this thing, this is by far the best value car wash, car detail kit that I've come across. I've reviewed the Chemical Guys ones. I've reviewed Armor All, Maguiars, and this one is the best. At least at that $12 value, it's like, gosh, it's significantly over 50% off. Like crazy, right? Normally it's like $47 worth of product here for 12 bucks. Insane. So what is that, 35 bucks off? 35? Yeah, $35 off. Crazy. And all the products are fantastic. Like I said before, Jay Leno is not going to put his name on a product that's not good. I was very impressed with all of them. The microfibers that they give you, again, the fact that they're edgeless, 300 GSM, this is basically what I use. I don't know what the blend is, but this is basically what I use every day in my business. Fantastic kit. Go get it right now, guys. Again, I don't see it on the Walmart.com website. They have some other kits from them, but not this one specifically, especially at 12 bucks. So anyways, go into your store, go check it out. I'll link all the products I use every day in my business down in the description below if you guys are interested in those. But for 12 bucks, you cannot go wrong with this kit. So go get it. I hope that helps you guys. Please make sure to like the video. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.